So let's get building some websites with Typedream, and this is the screen you will get to when you go through phils.deals/Typedream. You'll find the link in description, and you click create account down there, and you put in your email address. And where did you hear about us? Put Phil. That will really help me. Phil reviews software. Do that. Cheers. And then just click create your account, and then they send a code to your email address, and you paste your code in. And we are in, and why I love Typedream is it's just so easy to get started. What do you want to build today? Well, I want to build a website. What's it going to be? Is it going to be a software site, a portfolio, a shop, a Web3 site, a CMS site, or something else? And I'm going to build a portfolio site, and then I'm going to pick a template. And you scroll through. Don't worry about there not being lots of templates. Number one, templates are always customizable. Number two, Typedream has got quite a buzz around it at the moment, but there are going to be more templates as it grows. So there's going to be plenty more, but get started. You can change them as you like. So we're going to build a personal site. I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to add the pages to it. So what do I need from a site? It's building a site. I want to have an About Us page, yep, and a project page as well to talk about the project. Don't worry, you can add more later, and just click build my site. That's how easy Typedream is. It gives you a little video here, but don't worry, you've now got my videos. A little video of how everything works, and press next. And that's it. Your site is more or less ready to go. And I'm just going to show you very quickly now. Anything, change the name, Phil. And I'm going to start off by designing my homepage, make it look how I want it, and then I'm going to start adding pages to it. So that's the very first tutorial. It's just the basic. Signing up, getting ready to go, and creating your first site. So that is the first video. Really quickly, how to sign up and how to get ready to create your first site. Do the same, click through the link, make your first site, and we will be back and we'll start changing the site, adding pages and doing all sorts of amazing stuff so we've got our own unique website.